I would like to share you how to prepare FASC connector. FASC connector are used to join optical fiber where a connect or disconnect capability is required. The FASC connector stand for Field Assembly Subscriber Connector is a revolutionary field installable optical fiber connector. The unique design of the patented mechanical splice body incorporates a factory-mounted fiber stub and a pre-polished ceramic ferrule. The FASC connector series are already a popular solution for optical wiring inside building and floor for LAN and CCTV application and FTTH. Learning outcome for this video: identify method involved in preparing the FASC connector and prepare the FASC connector. The physical FASC connector consists of 5 parts: tails, body, fiber bracket, cap and protective cap. Therefore, this video will show how to install FASC connector. The equipment used for FASC connector installation is FASC connector and kits, fiber cleaver, fiber stripper, jacket stripper, cable holder, alcohol at least 95%, pure alcohol and tissue. The testing instrument used for ensure the cable properly connected and to measure loss is power meter, laser source and visual fault locator. Measure fiber cable at least 55 mm and remove the fiber jacket using jacket remover. Remove buffer coating using fiber stripper. After stripping the fiber coating, try to bending end of fiber because some coating residue will left on the bare fiber sections. Use a lint-free tissue with alcohol to clean the bare fiber section. This step to ensure the bare fiber section is free the contamination of bare fiber section. Contamination can cause a bad cleaving angle and bad splicing result. Next, you are ready to cleave the fiber using fiber cleaver, which help to prepare a flat and clean bare fiber end section. Insert fiber end to FASC connector. Push the fixing bracket upwards to lock the fiber. Rotate the tail inwards to connect it to the body. Using visual fault locator to ensure the cable is properly connected to the connector. Next, do the previous step on the other end of the cable. Perform power loss measurement after both ends of the cable are connected to the FASC connector. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.